Hey, welcome to Tech Easy. Today we are going to unbox Nokia 150 4G mobile, which is a keypad mobile. And the main thing I like about this mobile is the design. Yes. Uh, Let me know who else like this design in the comment section. And once upon a time, my first mobile was Nokia only. That is a keypad mobile. I don't know the exact model. Let me know what is your first phone model, what you have used. Please do comment. And the main thing which attracted me to buy this Nokia 150 4G mobile is the design. See the color combination. This is between like a thick red and maroon type of color, and this has a gold finish for the primary buttons, call, accessing, and a power button. And see here, one more good thing is the buttons here. The numeric buttons slightly pop up from the surface. See here, it is very good feel when I'm pressing these buttons. This is what attracted me, and I need to insert the battery here. There is a charger with I guess this is micro USB. Yes, micro USB port, and this is the battery. I need to insert this battery, so I'll do that quickly and I'll switch on this mobile. See here the back panel I just detached, and now I need to check this and I need to insert like this. See the battery. Yeah, it has a slot for SD card, also micro SD card. See here, they mention micro SD card, and it is with two dual sims, sim 1 and the sim 2. Yeah, micro SD card we can place two, or sim trace. Yeah, okay, fine. This way I need to insert. That's it. So I'll just try to press and hold this power key. Yes, it got switched on. And coming to the top part here, they gave the charging port, this one, and this is for the earphones 3.5. Okay, yes, okay, this signal receiver. That's it. The price I got this mobile in the sale, in the Prime Day sale or the Flipkart goat sale. So it is around 2500 or something. I'll drop the links in the description. I'll drop the same mobile in 2G version also. I'll mention in the description what is 2G and what is 4G. I'll drop the links for the both. You can check in the description if you want. English I selected as the language, and this is the camera button. Yeah, so there is a shutter sound capture for that. Yes, it is decently good. And let me know who else are still using this keypad mobiles and the two Nokia brand. And yeah, let me know what is your first mobile, what you have used in your life. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.